In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Outlook on both the web and the desktop versions. Whether you're using Outlook at home, at work, or on a shared computer, learning how to properly sign out is important to ensure your personal information remains secure. So let's dive in and take you through the steps for both platforms. Let's start with the web version of Outlook. Once you have your web browser open and you're logged into Outlook, the first thing you'll want to do is locate your profile icon. You'll find this at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. You'll notice one that says Sign Out. Go ahead and click on this option to proceed with signing out. This step is crucial because signing out properly from the web ensures that your account is secured, particularly if you're on a public or shared computer. After clicking Sign Out, you'll want to close your browser completely to ensure no lingering sessions remain open. This is a simple yet effective way to protect your privacy. Now, if you're using Outlook on your desktop, the process is slightly different, but still quite straightforward. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find the File tab. Click on File, and from the drop-down options, look for Office Account. Selecting this option will bring you to a page where you'll see your account information displayed. Here, you will notice an option to sign out, and click on Sign Out to begin the process. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to sign out, which is a good time to ensure you're ready to safely exit without leaving behind any unsaved work. Confirm your decision, and remember, once you've signed out, it's always a good practice to close the entire application. Closing Outlook entirely ensures your session is ended and your credentials are securely logged out. Following these steps on both platforms is a key part of maintaining digital security as it prevents unauthorized access to your information. Additionally, if you're sharing devices or using a public computer, it's a habit that helps in keeping your data safe from prying eyes. While it might feel like a hassle at first, you'll soon find that these little steps quickly become second nature and offer peace of mind in today's digital landscape. Thank you for watching this guide on how to sign out of Outlook. We hope you found it helpful, and for more tips on keeping your digital space secure, don't forget to check out our other videos. Stay safe and see you next time.